If you're like most homeowners, you've experienced dramatic increases in heating bills over the last few years. Consequently, you've spent a lot of time and money insulating your home. You've put on a heavily insulated door with a good rubber ceiling strip. You've installed double pane windows. You've insulated your walls in your attic. You may even have those little insulation pads inside your light switch. So, how come your energy bills are still so high? Well, I can tell you why. You've got an energy thief in your home that you didn't even realize was there. Here's the culprit. No, it's not your fireplace. It's your fireplace damper. And frankly, it can make your home downright uncomfortable. You know the feeling. Drafty rooms all winter long and cold feet that you just can't seem to get warm. You've tried stuffing insulation up the flue, or maybe you've resorted to adding ugly styrofoam to the front of your firebox. Look, you wouldn't stand to have your refrigerator without a rubber gasket or a front door with no weather stripping. So why stand for a fireplace damper that could cost you hundreds of dollars in heating bills each year? Now that you've seen what your fireplace damper looks like, let's take a closer look at how it works. Here's a brand new cast iron damper plate that homes just like yours depend on to keep utility dollars in check. But look at it. There's no insulation. There's no rubber ceiling strip around the edges. It's just a leaky, rough metal plate that fits inside a low-tech framework. No wonder recent lab studies have shown that this type of damper can leak up to $200 worth of energy per year. And that's with a new damper. But it gets even worse. After a few years, many damper plates end up looking like this: rusty, warped, full of holes. If a new damper leaks to the tune of $200 per year, can you imagine what this one would cost you? Possibly 3 to 4 times more. No wonder your utility bills are so high. That rusty damper that we just looked at is robbing you blind. What you need is a damper that replaces that one and seals tight like a storm door for your fireplace. Let's take a look. Here's the solution: a Locktop energy-saving damper. The first thing I want you to notice is that this damper consists of a non-rusting aluminum framework with stainless steel springs and lid, so it won't rust like the one I just showed you. Second, notice that this damper mounts outdoors on top of your chimney where a bead of silicone seals it in place for a tight fit. And speaking of sealing, look at this. The Locktop energy-saving damper seals completely with the help of this thick silicone rubber gasket right here. When it's closed, it's tight. This rubber gasket is made of a fire-resistant material that can withstand temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The damper cannot be pushed open by animals or wind. It remains tightly sealed until you release it, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, let's take a look at the seal of the Locktop energy-saving damper compared to that of a traditional damper. Here's a leak test on a conventional damper using smoke to represent air. The damper's function is to keep the air in, but as you can see, the air is escaping and sending your energy dollars up the chimney. But look, with the Locktop energy-saving damper, you're able to keep warm air in and cold air out. And it's simple to use. From inside your home, you open and close it easily with this cable mounted inside your firebox. This cable will never burn or rust. The Locktop energy-saving damper is already saving energy dollars in thousands of homes just like yours. It's reasonably priced and will quickly pay for itself. Plus, it's backed by a lifetime warranty. If you don't already know an installer in your area, just visit our website at www.locktop.com or look under chimney cleaning in your yellow pages. As we look to the years ahead, increasing energy costs seem inevitable. But at least with a Locktop energy-saving damper, you can offset the cost of heating your home without sacrificing your warmth and comfort.